Private. It is our duty to ensure that no harm comes to the cripple. Understood? Follow on. If you can hear them, but you can't shoot them, you can probably grenade them. Drop an egg down there, laddie. Forward! Good Lord, how embarrassing. Dodged the bullet on that one. I'll cover you! You go round them! Don't let the cripple get below you, laddie!
На третьем чисто.
На третьем пятый. Пятый, что у вас? На третьем пятый.
Я прикрою, пошел! Вот такой!